Hi there, Gigi here, and today I'm reviewing this outdoor deck storage box. And I must say, I'm glad that I purchased this. It serves as storage for my patio furniture pillows. Not only does it add a stylish touch to my outdoor space, but it's incredibly convenient and efficient. I think this storage box is perfect for storing large furniture cushions, gardening tools, sports equipment, firewood, and more if you have it. It helps keep the clutter out of sight. However, one of my favorite features is the multi-purpose lid. It has convenient shocks that keep it open while I'm getting my items out, which makes it very easy to grab what I need and not have to worry about it falling on my head. Plus, when it's closed, the reinforced design allows it to double up as extra seating. The wicker pattern and brown color of this storage box blends in beautifully with my existing outdoor decor. It adds a decorative touch that enhances the overall look of my patio. And it's durable. It's made from sturdy resin. It can withstand the elements, allowing for year-round use. I purchased the 122-gallon capacity, measuring 52 by 28.75 by 26 inches. It provides ample space to keep things organized in any outdoor area. Plus, the best part is that assembling it is a piece of cake. You won't need a ton of tools or hassle getting it up. We assembled this storage box in under an hour. All in all, I highly recommend the outdoor deck storage box. I hope you found this review helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up. Until next time.